Listen, why should you and me, and tell me everything better?
Okay, hey. MANYO. Where's Allah? Dumelandak.
Hello?
Dumelandak.
Sorry?
Obuaskay.
No.
What language do you speak?
I speak English.
You speak English?
Yes.
Okay, what are your full names?
My full name is Albert.
Albert who?
Albert Rusike.
Lusike. Rusike.
Yes.
What nationality are you?
I'm Zimbabwean.
You are Zimbabwean?
Yes.
Okay, so explain to me, so what are you doing with a young boy?
I've just come to see him. I'm doing nothing with him.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 35.
Really? You are 35? You?
Yeah.
35?
Yes.
Neumakama. What were you doing here with the child? What was your plan? What was your intention?
Intention, what you said, Pastor. He said, I don't know these things. I just said, I know, I'll just come and tell you how it goes about.
Where's your wife?
It's down home.
Down home where?
In Joburg.
In Johannesburg. So you leave your wife there, and then you come here to try and sleep with a young boy?
No, I'm not sleeping with him.
Okay, why were you trying to kiss him?
I wasn't trying to kiss him.
Oh, you think, between you and you, who's lying?
I wasn't trying.
Between you and me, who's lying? Who's fooling who?
Sorry, I wasn't trying to kiss him, Pastor. Yeah, just my friend on Facebook.
When did you start your friendship?
Last week.
How many other young boys do you have friendship with?
I can't.
But I don't understand. You are 35, but you got grey hair, and you've got mpanta, and you say you are 35. Yeah, Makama. This room you are in, from that side up to here, from the time you drove into the gate, you drove in the back here. Yes. So from the time you drove into the gate, wherever you were sitting, I was watching you.
All right.
Even now, there are cameras in this room. The room has got microphones. Huh? Start from the beginning. Why are you here?
I've just come to see this young boy.
Right. Why did you show him pornography on your phone? You showed him 2 videos of pornography. Am I correct? Am I correct?
No, I'm just saying I'm sorry for my...
For what? I agree you are sorry. For what?
For what you are saying, that why
No, don't apologize for what I'm saying. Apologize for what you were doing. What were you doing?